What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to replace your rear knock sensor in a Peter car. It's also known as the rear knock sensor post catalyst, knock sensor behind the catalyst, downward knock sensor. There's several names of it. Anyway, we're going to show you guys how to take it out and how to put a new one in. Save yourself some time, save yourself some money, because it's not a hard job. So you guys come take a look. We're going to show you what tools you need. That way you'll have everything before you even get on the truck. We're going to show you how easy it is. Alright guys, here's the tools you're going to need. This is a OEM O2 sensor socket removal tool. It's just, I think they call it a socket wrench. I don't know. Anyway, it's a 22 millimeter or 7/8. You're also going to need an O2 sensor socket. This is probably going to be the one we end up using, and it is a 7/8 22 millimeter. You're going to need some form of light because it is hard to see under there. You're going to need an 8 millimeter wrench, an 8 millimeter socket, extension ratchet, 1/2 inch drive ratchet that is going to fit your O2 sensor socket, and Bill's got his nifty homemade trim removal tool, and we'll show you what this is going to be handy for. So there's the tools you're going to need, so let's go get started. Alright guys, what we have here is a 2015 Peterbilt 587. It does have a Paccar MX-13 engine in it, and we're going to show you how to replace your rear knock sensor, or your knock sensor after a catalyst, or whatever your scanner calls it this week. Right there is your rear knock sensor, or your downstream knock sensor, however you want to call it. The wire comes out of the top of it and goes on top of the muffler, and we're going to show you how to get all of that loose so you can replace it and get back to trucking.
Hey, this is where the door trim removal tool comes in handy. Get this little insert out of here.
He's just using it to pop up the, it's kind of like a zip tie with a keeper on the bottom of it.
There we go. Now you got two bolts where it plugs in. It's got like a computer brain it plugs into, or on the other end of it. You got two bolts. That's where your 8 millimeter comes in.
Alright, so you can see he is using a wrench on that to get those two 8 millimeter bolts out of there.
Once you got it unbolted, you can kind of flip it over and see where this plug is. That little yellow tab has got to pop up, and then it slides out to unplug it. You got to make sure you get this yellow tab pulled all the way up, or it won't come unplugged. You see, I'm kind of working it back and forth on each side to try to get it picked up. If you're not careful, you can bust that plastic. There we go.
Show them what the end of that plug looks like. There you go, guys. Alright, now that we got the wiring broke loose, we're going to try to get the knock sensor socket off, or knock sensor out, sorry. There she goes.
Thank God for never seeing.
So here it is out of the truck. That's what it looks like. Here's a little computer brain he was talking about, and the other side of the plug. So we got the old one out, and we'll show you guys what to do next. All right, guys, so here is the brand new one. There we go. So here's the brand new one, and they come with this nifty little cap on them. So we're going to show you what to do to put this back in that, so you'll be ready to go. No more codes.
All right, folks, we're gonna start off saving ourselves a lot of headache for the next time this one has to be replaced, and it may not be my headache. I'm saving somebody a headache. Take some never sees and put on the thread. Yeah, it's already got something on here. Because if you end up pulling the threads out of one, guess what? You got a major headache. When you're tightening this thing down, you just want to snug it. Don't over torque it. Alright, I'm going to plug it up before I bolt it down. Make sure it's plugged up like it needs to be. Still got enough wiggle room, you can get in there and get her bolted down. You get it plugged up, push the little yellow tab back down, lock it into place. Secure.
That's why you always carry a backup light, because they're always going to go out when you need them.
Yeah.
That's one of the fantastic things about LED lights. No warnings, they just go out.
Yep, I brought my big light with me. And dadgummit, I left the battery on the charger on my toolbox. That did a lot of good, didn't it?
Happens every time.
Get your bolts back in and started, and take a wrench and snug it down. Tie that back up. Ready to clear the codes.
As you guys can see, she's plugged up, bolted up, zip tied up, and tightened. So now we will get out the old scanner danner and clear out the codes. Alright, I'm gonna let the ProLink fire up here. You guys can see we got power here. It's plugged in the OBD2 port, and key on HD scan. You can see there's the code, and we wait, and we wait, and we wait. There we go. So what we're going to do now is fire the truck up. We'll let it run. Make sure we don't have any more codes. And that's how you fix a knock sensor. Alright guys, so the truck's been idling for about 30 minutes. As you see, no active faults, no inactive faults, so that fixed it. So we will end session. Done with our scanner. Power it off. Unplug it. Put our dust cover back on. Job complete. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how you replace your rear knocks or your downstream knocks or your knocks after catalyst, whatever, on a Peterbilt. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You can do it yourself, save some time, save some money. It's always a good thing. Like always guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you like this, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. You have a great one. Oh yeah, be sure to subscribe. It's free. It don't cost you anything. Check out my truck fixing videos. A lot of good stuff in there. Batteries always go out. Y'all, I keep all my chargers because we have so many different chargers for lights. I write on them like that one, light and carry. I don't get them confused.